Alrighty traders, I want to share with you a few trades that I actually bought, few stocks that I've actually bought over the last few days, today and also yesterday, and I want to share them with you, and I just want to just share with you the reason why I actually got into these particular stocks. Let's go straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video, because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, let's get straight into it. Before I start, guys, these three stocks that I've bought, there's no ways of them actually making a profit. So just be smart about your investing. I'm not recommending these trades. I'm not telling you to do anything. And the fact of the matter is, every single one of these trades could be a losing trade. So just if you ever do get into any of these trades, just make sure you keep your risk no more than 1% risk on your account. All right. Now, first off is Apple. The reason why I like Apple. Now, guys, I have my trading system, and then I have some other trades I get into just based on my experience. Looking at Apple, I did buy Apple yesterday, and the reason why I bought Apple yesterday was due to the fact that we had a very big, nice upward trend line. Again, this is a technical sort of trading, guys, not a fundamental trading. So a very big upward trend line through there, as you can see. We also had a very nice sort of sideways period for quite some time. And then you can see what was happening through here. We had a low, we had a slight little higher low. We had another higher low. We made a higher high. We came up, and now we made another higher low, and now we're breaking up. So this breakout above 124 is a very, very key bullish side for me. And I see Apple actually being above the 138 level, probably even 140, and probably even a lot higher than that by the time Apple is finished, because Apple's one of the most successful companies on the planet. It's probably got one of the most cashed up accounts in cash wise than most companies out there. So that's the reason why, guys, I really like Apple. And again, I bought it, and I have my stop in place, and I have my target in place, and so on and so forth. Moving over now through to the next stock, which I like, and this is eBay. I recently bought eBay as well too. And the reason why I bought eBay is because, again, technical basis, guys, we had a very big strong move up on the weekly chart. We've had a very big pullback, and notice how this major support back here, which was this point, sort of the $45 level. Notice how we found support, and now we're starting to break up on this weekly chart. So this pullback here should see a nice move up. And also what we're seeing right now on eBay is something really interesting. We can see here that we had a low. We've had an equal low through here, sort of a cluster there. But look what's happening here. Notice how the market ran up, came back in, and notice how this is a nice little higher low. Notice how the buyers didn't let it come back down to support and then bounce off. It came in and made a higher low. Now we're breaking back up past these previous highs through here. So there's still a little bit of resistance through here, but I was happy to buy eBay based on this breakout. So once again, I have a small risk. And then my ultimate target for eBay is up there around $80. So that may take 6 months to get there, guys. It's probably going to take, it may take, what's that there? Yeah, it may take, 2 or 3 months to get there, or it may take 6 months to get there. I don't know, but I have an ultimate target of $80 on eBay. So $80 is my target, and my risk is, my reward is a almost 50% rise, and my risk is a 10% drop. So that's the risk to reward I actually have on this one here. Once again, I have a small risk on my account. And as you can see, I have actually literally 5 times my target. 5 times my target compared to compared one risk on that there. So I really like it, guys. Is it going to make a profit? I don't know, but I like the risk to reward. And the way that I set my trades up, guys, whether it's just a setup that I based on my experience or my trading system setup, is that I want to be in a situation where, if I go through a very hard time, maybe 50-50 minus ratio, which is horrible, that I still want to be able to make money. And the last off the rank, which is Microsoft. I got into Microsoft today on a nice little breakout. Again, it may not be a good breakout. We may roll over tomorrow and start to head back down again. That could be a possibility with Microsoft. But I got into Microsoft again. I really like the fact that Microsoft has been in a big upward trend line. We've had a period of sideways movement through here for a long time. So not much going on, which means the calming effect, which is sideways, and the storm is when we're likely to see the storm, which is a big move up from there. And I can see we've done nothing towards this trend line, and we bounced, and now we're actually starting to break above all this resistance level here. And so from that, I really, really like it. And also, if I draw my Fibonacci levels, you can see how that on a Fibonacci basis, guys, you can see how we've actually held these the 50 and 60% level quite strong a whole time, and now we're breaking back up. So I see Microsoft at least getting to 230 on a short-term basis, but then after that, after this long extended sideways phase, guys, I see Microsoft going for another enormous run. So I'm in this, and I'm in it for quite some time. And once again, I have a small stop in place, small risk on my account, and the risk to reward on this one here, once again, is I think it's about about at least it's at least 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. 3-to-1 reward risk ratio. So for every one risk, my profit is likely to be 3 reward. On that there. So there we go, guys. There's the 3 trades. I'm not saying buy these trades. All of these trades could stop me out, but that doesn't matter to me, as I said before, because I'm keeping the risk small. And if they all start to go crazy, well, guess what? My account could be up 20-30% over the next few months, just based on having real small risk on my account. So hope this helps you out, guys. Traders, I'm running a flash sale to my brand new breakthrough online trading course. Normally I sell it for $4.95, but just for $7 today. I'm doing this as a way of giving back. It's the end of the year, and I really, really want to help you move forward. If you're struggling in your trading right now, then I'm doing this just to help you out, just $7. And you can see what you're going to get all through here. Top deadly mistakes, 10K per month plan. You've got chart reading techniques, a couple of powerful trading systems, the number 1 indicator, the mind frame, the final steps, so much more. You get so much. So if you're struggling in trading right now, or if you need some help getting started in the markets right now, or if you're confused, you're on the wrong track, you don't know what's going on, that's what this course is for, because I've designed it to help you have a breakthrough. But I'm only doing it over the next few days as a way of giving back. So go to johnsflashsale.com right now, johnsflashsale.com right now, because once it's gone, it's gone. So go to johnsflashsale.com right now, grab the $7 before time runs out. So go to johnsflashsale.com, grab it, and I look forward to hearing from you about how it's helped you have your breakthrough. Go to johnsflashsale.com right now, and I look forward to seeing you real soon.